Okay, today we're going to make some chimichurri. It's an Argentinian sort of from Uruguay. Really goes well with ribs, sort of onion beefs and things like this. Very easy, very easy and simple to make. I'm making it for a friend of ours, Cider Talbot. It is a little barbecue cook-off, so that'd be another video. I'll link that in the description. Simple, so easy. Okay, so to start off, half a cup of olive oil. Okay, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Now you can use white wine, but I tend to find that red wine is much more authentic and a lot better. You got some dried oregano, and that was about 3/4 teaspoon. Then, simple as, we've got salt and also some pepper. So we're using coarse salt, and that is approximately about sort of a teaspoon of salt and some black pepper straight into there. Now, I've already pre-chopped some garlic, a bit lazy, but I found it a bit easier for you guys. So finely chopped garlic in there, and in this one we're using cayenne. So you can use hotter chilies like bird's eye and things like that, but I tend to find I'm going to go with the cayenne. So already chopped, get the cayenne in there. This adds a little bit of colour, a little bit of heat, not too much. It's nice and fruity, so I really do like the cayenne. And then we've got some flat leaf parsley, and that is really finely chopped. Simple as, just get it and just keep chopping. But you don't want to spend me hours chopping this. So, as with all blue pepper moments, guessed it, yeah, made some before. That goes straight in. That is all the ingredients, and then gradually just get it in, stir it around, and you can see the colours coming out. Now with this you can refrigerate it for up to 24 hours. Don't serve straight away. So like now I've made this because we've got a load of meat on the barbecue, and this will be ready in 10-15 minutes time. You get all the juices coming in. So with that, I'm just, because you see the consistency, so with the consistency there, lovely, it's looking really colourful. And I think just a tiny bit more, bit of olive oil straight in there, only a little tiny bit. So you just want it nice to pour on, so a nice little top up. That's looking really good. Now what you can do, you can obviously add a little bit of extra pepper and a little bit of extra salt if you want to, but it's down to your own personal taste. So you just refine it. Right, and that is looking proper good. And that, ladies and gents, is chimichurri.